20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
Hello everybody, welcome to my first video of my channel. I think most of you guys know this game. It's called World of Tanks. I will be playing it for you, you'll be watching, you will be liking, you will be subscribing, I will be all happy. Alright. It's a pretty easy game. You need to learn tactics and yeah, just blow with your tank the other enemy tank until it's dead. Alright. I got a few choices at the beginning. I just made a new account special for you. You can also always add me as a friend. It's Rizzle Gamer. Remember, I will only be playing when I make a video because it's going to be like a walkthrough or more like a watch me play endlessly without just until we have all the tanks. We got a few tanks. We got I think French tank, a Chinese tank, a German tank, a British tank, the Americans, pretty ugly thing, and we got the Russians, and we got the Japanese. Well, personally I like the Russian tank, just how it looks, just small and fun. The British tank is just a big fat ass. I do not really like it, too many people also. This one is, yeah. I'm also not so fan of the American, but we will play it someday. We got the Japanese. I really like this one. It really looks great, but well, I've been looking around and yeah, it doesn't have so many tanks, and we will be going to a lot of tanks, so maybe it is a good start. But let's go to back. I also like this one, the French one. If I look at the tech tree, it has, oh crap, sorry about that. It has a few more tanks. You can upgrade it. You can see you got every time you play this game you earn experience points. Experience points are these points over here. I still got 0 at every tank because I haven't played yet. And you can also get free experience, and you can use all that experience on all the tanks. So if you win 300 experience on one tank and 300 on the other, you can still use the free experience on both of the tanks if they need it. Sorry, I'm a bit ill today. Well, but yeah, I'm not going to let you wait, guys. I'm going to start playing with this Russian tank. Or no, you know what, guys? We're going to start playing with the American tank. I have played this game before. I ain't really a pro at it. I will never be. Well, maybe if you guys like it, and well, you can make me pro someday if you keep watching my videos, and I'll just keep making them and get better over time. Let's see here. These clowns is. We're going to shoot and move a lot of this game, so. Well, guys, enough with me talking. Let's play the game. Oh yeah, that's also something. Oh, I will explain it in another video, next video. Ha! Only one tank different. The ends. There's one. No, never mind. Alright, anyway, I was something checking. Oh. I say please, so I'm not a bad guy. Anyway, in this game mode we go to, or well, in this game we go to play one game of 10 minutes or 50 minutes. That's the max gamer, or at least until we die. Then if we die, yeah, if we die at the beginning of the video, we will start a new gameplay. But this time we just go to play this game. And if we have done one of the parties, or I don't know how it's called. If we have done one game, yeah, this will stop. And yeah, anyway, we go to play this game. Sorry for me all talking silly again. Freaking Alright, I need some help.
Penetration. Enemy is hit.
We're going to kill him. This is our first kill.
Enemy armor is damaged. Enemy armor is hit.
Well, no! Sorry guys. Well, we at least did some damage. Oh, come on. Oh crap. This isn't going to be a perfect match. Batman, no! Don't go into the fight. He has us too strong. Oh crap, this is...
Target acquired. Enemy is hit. Bailout.
Alright guys.
Panic.
Well, this is the game. I hope you like it. It's my first video of YouTube. Yeah, it's my first video. I hope you like to see me play some more games, and I would love to make some videos for you guys. If you want to make a video with me, that's all I do. Just email me, do anything, become crazy. Just yeah, that's the game. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like. It will help me a lot. And yeah, bye.